Every track I'm torching it into my lyrics, fortunate emergency mission. I drove my 911 Porsche for it. But before I was a famous little rapper, I stayed up in the trap. I kept the cane just like a capper. I don't need your opinion cause you are not a factor. I read the book front to back, you just finishing a chapter. So follow me, I can introduce you to swagger. Before you know it, you got a crowd of bitches to tag her. Long with you smoking that purple poppin' Patron with your paparazzi pictures. The public asking what's wrong with you. I come from an era where them pistols belong with you. Gon' get you them finish rolling my slong swisher. Tell me if you spot them, cause ain't nobody hotter. Cardi frames look like I borrowed from Harry Potter. I keep that white girl, I'm talking Lady Gaga. Very exclusive kicks, the red and navy Prada. My diamonds dancing, so watch them cha-cha. My name Casino, never been up to Nevada. Watch me play my deep thoughts in the soil. I'm hot enough to boil. I'm modest and I'm loyal. I'm on one. Seen that new Bugatti and I want one. Hey, I'm fucking the money. That's how I know it's gonna come. Red bone, short hair with a long tongue. I'm in this temporary business for the long run. I'm killing niggas with the flow. Hey, it got the hurt. Blue and red diamonds on my shirt. Call that Papa Smurf. Hey, you boys broke. Casino, that boy dope. What up, dope? Get them bitches a Detroit quote. Get your hands up unless you a damn scrub. DJ play my music even in the Sam's Club. Hey, get your hands up unless you a damn scrub. DJ play my music even in the Sam's Club. Yeah. That's what I'm rocking with right there, dog. Casino the Cash Getter. I do this shit, eat, sleep, shit, this shit, nigga. Real talk. Yeah, definitely. That was good thinking, man. I was thinking that myself.